name is Tasha Maniam, AP180259 from Group 1, Section 1. Today I'm going to talk about the introduction of our group project. So, let me explain about the definition of OSHA. Workplace safety and health refers to the right of every employee regardless of industry and field. OSHA coverage extends to the most but not all private sector employers and their workers. OSHA defines as the promotion and maintenance of the highest degree of physical, mental and social well-being of workers. So we chose YTL Construction Company to further our understanding on occupational safety and health management on construction site. This company is located in Johor Bahru, and it was very convenient for us to reach out for them about their company, and they explained the procedures very well. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Faizul Rafiq bin Jalani, number metric AP180337. I will present a little about literature review in this project. There are three literature related to this project, which is risk assessment of construction project, which is about internal and external risks in the construction site. Next is occupational OSHA and work safety during the COVID-19 pandemic. It is about the workplace, how to manage your workplace to save from dangerous disease. The other one is exploring the perceived influence of safety management practice on project performance in the construction industry. So this is about the how you make your work in how to increase your safety performance inside in construction project. Thank you.
Hi and Assalamualaikum. My name is Najha binti Hamidan. My metric number is AP170200. So I will be explaining more in detail about our methodology part for this research. This research objective is to determine how an organization practice the occupational safety and health guidelines in their organization. In order to gain more information regarding this issue, we decided to choose a qualitative method which an interview session have been conducted with the selected personnel from YTL Construction, which is Encik Amirul Ashraf. His job position as a safety site supervisor. Since the condition movement control order has took place in Batu Pahat, Johor recently, it enables us to make an interview session physically and in a face-to-face manner. Hence, we have been undergone the interview session virtually with the personnel through Google Meet. To gain more information and input and about Encik Amirul Ashraf's job role as a safety site supervisor.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Hanis Mesara binti Hasim, metric number AP180078. The data collection had been collected from the interview session with the YTL Construction Company. The company managed OSH in workplace with make the OSH planning programs and develop based on OSH policy and based on objective. And they also ensure the hazard in the workplace, identify, assess and create control. The employee will be trained before they do their work in the construction site to prevent from the accident. Thank you.
My name is Lee Siwon and the matrix number is AP180355. YTL company provide different types of training according different specific of site. Next is the YTL company make sure that all the employee know about the guideline that provided and monitoring before entering the site to ensure that all of them follow the guideline. Next is the prevention action taken by the YTL company is having a supervisor in each site to ensure that every site is under control and reach the safety index. And next one is when found out the employee didn't follow the safety rules, YTL company have their own set of punishment to alert the employees. And the last one, due to the new normal today, YTL company tends to make some change to adapt this situation, and they try their best to follow the SOP given by the government, even though in the site. That's all for me. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Shahidah binti Muhammad Shah, and my metric number is AP180426. I would like to present discussion on findings. Transportation of film from casting yard to main line and launching. YTL construction knew hazards such as traffic collision during transportation and component of beam may be dropped down from loader or prime mover and may cause injury or fatality to employee and public, and also bring damage to the property. This is one of their countermeasures to overcome the hazard. Working area condition and traffic diversion flow. YTL construction know the hazard may happen in construction sites, such as the hazard may happen to operators, workers, lorry drivers, motorists, and passerby truck and vehicle. The hazard may happen to the possible bodily injury to the employee itself. YTL construction take a few steps of control measure to face this issue. Lifting operation. This is including loss of load, fall from height, electrocution, machinery hits onto workers, or having property damage, and crane lifting gear failure. Therefore, YTL construction take a few control measures to handle the hazard wisely. Thank you.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Norika Shaira. My metric number is AP180100. So, the hazard that may happen in construction site of YTL construction. First is unloading and loading beam. The next one is walking at height, which is more than 2.5 meter. Next is a walking area condition and traffic diversion flow. And the last one is operation.
For their recommendation, firstly is to identify healthy and safety responsibilities in employee safety. Verify healthy and safety responsibility in your employee safety. OSH should create the writing policy specifying healthy and safety training requirements for temporary staffing agency. Number 2, prevent workplace injuries and illnesses program. With the protection of injuries and illnesses programs will help construction industry improve their compliance. Number 3, make sure employees have the right tools and have regular equipment inspection. This can create a better product and safer work environment for the employees in the construction site. And the last one is improve the compliance with Act and regulation. This can help ensure the compliance with the federal and state health and safety standards in the construction industry. That's all for me. Thank you.